um, thought on this particular issue of how to ensure that plants or parks remain green through the year rather than only when it rains. So very recently there was a plantation drive it started, and like this there have been several plantation drives typically close to monsoon because the monsoon rains and take care of them. But soon after about 2 months have gone by, when winter sets in and then even summer sets in, so that's almost good 6 or 7 months, you see these plants drying away. And so therefore another plantation drive starts in the next year. I've often wondered that why do we do these plantation drives, because half the year those plants have disappeared and it's an effort all over again, which is not to say that they are useless. But is there a way to keep these plants alive through the year once a plantation drive has happened in a particular area, using rainwater harvesting as a possible way where large plantation drives have happened? So this was just a thought and I thought I should share it with you.
So, I'm not sure. Well, I could maybe, so no, one is I cannot say that rainwater harvesting can be the solution. You could possibly prolong that time period by doing plantation in such a way that a lot of water percolates in the zone around the plant's root zone, and so even if it spreads through the year, it spreads close to the plant.
Right.
So that is definitely one way of kind of landscaping the area in such a way that all the water kind of percolates around the root zone. So that's doable. But you see, our big problem is that we have this intense heat period. So unless the plant is strong enough by that time, it usually needs supplementary support. So what I would instead say is, if there is some way of transporting semi-treated water, like bathroom water, just bathing water, untreated, for those 2-3 months of the year, then between rainwater harvesting and that, it should take very good care of your plant, very good care of the plants. Now that's not possible everywhere, but I see no reason why it can't be done within the plantation of condominium complexes. It's only in the open spaces where it's a problem.
But we don't have recycled water plants in
You don't
most
need that,
of
and that's why I'm saying
bathroom
bathroom water.
untreated. Okay.
Bathroom water, the pipeline that goes down is separate from your sewage pipeline.